Hello, I'm Annette and welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. Has this ever happened to you? Cold and flu season is in. You're beginning to feel a little bit under the weather. So you go to the cupboard to reach for some of those natural products to boost your immune system because you need to start feeling better right away. Only to find out you don't have what you need. You really don't feel like going shopping. You go online to try to order some products and it's going to take a few days for them to come in. Believe me, I have been there and done that. I try very hard to keep certain products on hand throughout the year, especially when the cold and flu season is upon us. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over with you some really great products that has been around for a long time that has helped a lot of people down through the years. Let's get started. I want to say that this is not a sponsored video, and the brands of the supplements that I will be showing with you today is just products that I have bought for my personal use. Today I'm going to be going over with you 8 great products that's really good to have on handy in the house before you come down sick. Plus I'm going to offer 3 tips with the 8 products. Echinacea. Look how beautiful these echinacea flowers are. They're absolutely gorgeous. And just think, such a beautiful flower can be so good for us. Echinacea is also known as cone flower. It's a purple flower that usually grows in the woods in the fields in North America. And the Native Americans have been using echinacea for hundreds of years as a medicinal herb. Explorers Lewis and Clark back in the day in the 1800s had learned about the many health benefits of echinacea, and on some of their voyages they had collected some seeds and sent them back to President Jefferson in the 1800s. Echinacea is still in use today as a dietary supplement. There are 9 species, however only 2 of them are used as a dietary supplement. Many people have found that if you take echinacea on the very onset of getting sick, it works the best that way versus being sick for a while and then taking echinacea. Elderberry syrup. And this one here is sugar-free. Look how dark and rich elderberry is. It's absolutely packed full of antioxidants. I cannot say enough about elderberry syrup. This is a great product. And this is a product that some people take every day throughout the year, even if they're not sick, just to kind of boost their immune system throughout the year. Elderberry is from the sambucus tree that's native to Europe. And over there it's common to make pies and jellies out of the elderberries. But a lot of people, even today, they'll take the elderberries and they'll make their own elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup is known as a powerful cold preventative and remedy. It's got vitamin C in it, along with lots of other nutrients, including antioxidants. Zinc. Eating foods that has zinc in it will help us to boost our immune systems. Zinc is an essential element that is found in trace amounts in meat and fish and poultry. And it's a very important trace element for our overall health and also for our sense of taste. Zinc is found throughout our bodies. However, our bodies does not store excess amount of zinc. And so therefore we have to either get it through our diet or through supplementation. Zinc plays such an important part of our health. Everything from our immune system to our thyroid function. Vitamin C. This right here is ester C. It does not upset the stomach because it's non-acidic. What is your favorite fruit that's high in vitamin C? Leave me a comment below. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin, meaning that it cannot be stored by the body, therefore it has to be replenished on a regular basis. And unless we're eating lots of foods that contains vitamin C, we might want to consider a supplement. Back in the day, they had treated scurvy by using vitamin C. Olive leaf. Olive leaf extract is a very helpful immune booster and a good buddy in any natural defense against cold and flu. Olive leaf extract also is known to help lower blood sugar. So if you are an insulin dependent diabetic, use caution if supplementing with olive leaf extract. Olive leaf is a staple that's part of the Mediterranean diet, and it has powerful health boosting benefits that it can offer. The olive leaf extract is from the olive tree leaves, And the olive leaf extract contains a potent supply of nutrients, including antioxidants that supports our immune system. Olive leaves are known to be antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic. This makes them very useful to help fight off infection and other feverish conditions and to help stave off a cold or flu. Apple cider vinegar. This one here is raw and it has the mother in it. Have you or someone that you know ever made homemade apple cider vinegar? If so, leave me a comment below. As you well may know, apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been around for a very long time. It offers many different health benefits to us. People use it in making their homemade dressings or marinades and other food recipes. This product has a lot to offer. Also, the apple cider vinegar that I purchase, I get the ones that has the cloudiness in it, the sediment, called the mother, because it's thought to be that the mother actually contains probiotics. Probiotics. Consuming probiotics every day is so important for our gut health, which in turn is going to help our overall health. Probiotics are so good for us. It contains the good bacteria that will actually help nourish our digestive system. As you know, when you take an antibiotic, it not only takes out the bad bacteria, but also takes out the good bacteria. And that good bacteria, that good flora, needs to be replenished on a daily basis so we can stay healthy in our digestive system, which overall would give us better health. Fresh garlic. The National Library of Medicine put out an article on the health benefits of garlic, and in that abstract it stated that garlic has shown excellent health promoting and disease preventing effects on many human common diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular and metabolic disorders, blood pressure, and diabetes through its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and lipid-lowering properties. Fresh garlic is so good for us. The very component that causes garlic to have that garlicky odor called allicin is the very compound that we need to consume because it has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. There are so many different ways that we can consume garlic in our diet. So garlic is another one on the list to help boost our health. Good water. Even though most of us already knows that our bodies is mostly water and it's very important to drink water, sometimes we just get too busy and we forget to drink it. We almost have to drink it on purpose. And if you don't like drinking just plain old water, you can always spice it up with some cucumbers or some other fruits, or even put lemon juice or lime juice in it, or a cinnamon stick. It's important that we don't forget to drink water. Not only does it flush out toxins, but it also helps provide a moist environment for our nose, ears, and throat. A thermos of some sort. Having a thermos handy is a great way in keeping your herbal teas or maybe your chicken soup, something along that, some broth, hot throughout the day. Whether you want to keep it by your bedside or whether you got to run and go somewhere, you can take your thermos with you, and so you'll have hot tea or hot soup ready to go. Fresh citrus. Having some of your favorite fresh citrus on hand is a great way to get some extra vitamin C in when you're not feeling well. Thanks for watching, and if you have found value in this video, please take a moment to subscribe if you have not done so already. And by giving the video a thumbs up and leaving a comment and sharing with others, it will help the channel Kitchen Garden Farmhouse to grow. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.